Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another nail tutorial for you guys, and thank you so much to melodysusie for sending me this 24+4 gel polish kit along with these rhinestones. Thank you. This was such a great PR package, so I really appreciate them sending this over because this is absolutely so beautiful. All the polishes, the variety, and I will have everything linked down below along with a coupon code for you guys to save 12% if you're interested. And they have all different types of kits. This one in particular, I don't remember the name, but it's so pretty, and I will have it here on the screen for you guys to see. So here I'm just opening it up, and it just has the user manual and instructions if you need help reading that, and then it just gives you like this 20% off your next purchase. And then we're gonna get straight into the polishes. I didn't do any swatches because it's just too many, but I did show every color and what they look like with their consistency and texture. So that is what I'm doing here. But before that, it does come with 2 base coats, a top coat and a matte top coat, which is always a plus. Everything is 5 milliliters, and it's just great because you get a variety of everything, and it is an affordable price as well. You just can't go wrong. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Don't forget to hit that like button to let me know that you guys enjoyed this video and to continue to create more content for you guys, along with hitting the notification bell to never miss out and always get notified every single time I upload. So for today's video, I decided to use the eNail Couture Extreme Square nails, and these nails are thebomb.com. I have so many different types and variety of nail tips, and they are good and I love them, but I feel like eNail Couture is the best. They are pre-etched, they are so tapered, like the shape is just the bomb, literally. It is so good. Like, these nails were such great quality, they're so beautiful. It's definitely worth the price, and I just can't wait to go back to eNail and just purchase all their nails because he knows what he's doing. So here I'm just showing you the polishes that I'm going to be using, and the first one I'm going to be using was this color that I really loved. It was a nude, and this one is 99. That's the number of it. And by the way, I did forget to apply base coat at first, so for the first nail I didn't apply base coat, but for the rest of the nails I went and I applied the base coat, and then I cured it for 60 seconds because I did forget. And just a disclaimer, you know, I'm not a nail tech, I'm not a professional. I literally started doing nails 10 months ago. As of now, I literally do this for fun, and if I could help anyone, this is a learning experience for me as well. So yeah, I just want to let you guys know that I don't know everything. You know, I'm just here enjoying my time doing nails and just creating content. So it's not that serious. I'm not gonna always do everything perfect. I'm not always gonna have the best of the best, you know, because I'm not a professional. I literally do this for fun. So I just want to let you guys know that. So here I'm just going in and applying this nude color on all the nails and then curing it for 60 seconds. And by the way, I only used one coat, so it was really pigmented, so that's definitely a plus. It was great quality. Literally I just had to use a one coat on a nude color, so that was definitely something great. I had no issues with the polish. They are 5 milliliters, so they are on the smaller side, but you do get a variety of colors, so it's always either one or the other. You either get a set of 6 that are bigger size, or you get a whole variety, you know, that are smaller size. So yeah, in this occasion, that is what it is, but I definitely don't mind it. And look how beautiful it came out. The color is stunning, and I just used one coat. So next I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna just be doing a marbling, because I absolutely love doing that. So I'm using color 775, which is a white, and then this really neon pink, which is 409, and I'm just dabbing some on a piece of paper. And then after, I'm just gonna grab a dotting tool and just pretty much scrabble. So that is what I'm doing here, as you guys can see, and I'm going to show you up close what it looks like. Remember, this is all about being creative and having fun. I don't plan out videos. I don't plan out anything. I literally just try to film as much as possible. And when I'm filming right then and there, I just come up with the ideas. So it's all about being creative and just getting into that space and that mood of just doing whatever makes you happy or trying new things. This is why I love doing nails, because it's like a canvas for me. I personally have always loved art and creativity, and I've always loved art, so I do love to paint. So when it comes to these nails, when I see them, I just see like a blank canvas that I could create whatever I want. So yeah, it's just so much fun. I feel like it's not about taking it serious or, oh, if this is perfect. I just feel like it's about having fun and doing whatever you like and whatever makes you happy when it comes to whatever design you desire, or shape or length, you know, it doesn't matter. So here I'm just going in, and as you guys can see, I'm doing this marbleization. At first I thought it looked weird. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't really like it, but then I just decided to work with it, and I ended up liking how it turned out in the end. That it was really pretty, and this is really easy to achieve as well, and you can do it in whatever shape you want. I just decided to do it like that along the nail, but you can do it however you desire, diagonal, whatever you want. So that is just what I'm showing you guys here, and I'm gonna let you enjoy the process. So these are what the nails look like after I was done marbleizing them to my desired liking. And next I'm just using some decals that I decided to add onto it, just to add a little bit more to the nails. So I'm just cutting down the ones that I like, and then I'm just going to place them into some water for about 10 seconds. And remember to always remove the film, because if not, it won't really, you know, go as planned with the decals. I almost forgot to remove them, and that's why I'm saying that. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be doing here, and I hope you guys are enjoying this tutorial so far. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about today's video. If you guys liked it, if you didn't, let me know, because I definitely want to know what you guys think and what your thoughts are on this particular nail tutorial. So next I'm going to go ahead and apply some rhinestones, and they did also include this for me. So thank you guys so much. Once again, melodysusie, that was so kind, and I absolutely love rhinestones. So here I'm just sharpening the wax pencil that I included, and that is what I'm doing there with just a basic Dollar Tree sharpener, and then I'm going in with some top coat to adhere the rhinestones. But if you'd want them to last, I definitely recommend the Couture gummy jelly. It is amazing, literally amazing. I always and most definitely 10 out of 10 recommend it. It is so good. Your rhinestones, your stones, whatever you have applied will not move. But obviously for video purposes, I'm just using some top coat just to demonstrate to you guys, you know, my little rhinestone design that I decided to incorporate. So that is what I'm going to be doing here, just randomizing it. And yeah, we're almost coming to an end of this tutorial, so thank you guys so much for tuning in. And if you're still watching till this point, thank you, you're amazing and I really appreciate you. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. It always means the world to me. Lately I've been getting so much love and support, and it just has really been making my day. So thank you guys so much. That's why being kind is so important, because you don't know how I could impact others. So you guys have definitely really impacted me in such a beautiful way, and yeah, lately I've been really happy because of that. So thank you guys so much. It really means a lot. So these are what the nails look like. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys once again. I love you guys so much. Till next time.